Shit, boys, it's fucking coming. I don't know what the fuck this thing is, dude. I think it's for the head. Like that, maybe? Can you see? Alright, like that. I don't fucking know, dude. Alright. I get it. Teddy babe gave me in a blender. I draw a dick all over your sweatshirts. I hate you so much, right? I don't want you to do what you want, but just deal with it. 'Cause I'm so over you, man. Another video is taken. But I guess not. Oh, fuck, dude. We're about to get fucking fucked up. Alright, let's ditch the fucking shit here. Oh, fuck, dude. It's coming. It's coming. We're fucked. We're fucked, dude. We're completely fucked. We're just fucked, dude. Oh, my God. It's gonna be a tornado, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's coming. Holy fuck. Almost outrun. Oh my God. Fuck. The only reason I'm saying oh my God is because my camera. Fuck me, dude. Damn, it's coming down.